I'm sure that first of all, due to this coronavirus, everyone, the world is at a stagnant and everything seems to be very slow these days. And I'm sure that each one of you are taking care of yourself and staying home, staying safe. And this is the need of the hour. And I'm sure that you will abide by all the government rules, government informations, so that we can take care of ourselves, our family. That is the first priority for all of us. And coming to the district 3240 Rotract, as you all know that our Rotract district was bifurcated along with the Rotary in the year 1990. And from 1st July 1990, our new district, the present district 3240, came into existence. And you all must be knowing that our first DRR of the 3240 was none other than our late Naveen Kumar. And then myself took over from him, and then the legacy began. And today we are having a galaxy of the DRRs who have served in our district in last 30 years. And the Tushar is going to take over from 1st of July. And the team who are here, all are going to take the movement ahead from 1st July. And our Rotracts, in my Rotract career of the district 3240, there are so many ups and downs because of the different regions. When I was the DRR and when I left in 91-92, there are around 1,000 Rotractors and approximately 38 active Rotract clubs. And now the scene has been reversed and the things are going up and down because of the different regions, because of those days, the people have nothing to do other than the Rotract in the young age of 18 to 30 years. But as the years passing on, as the IT sector has developed, so much of gadget has come and the people's become, the young breed become the more career oriented, and they move from their one place to another place for study, for job, so their membership cannot be continued in the same club. So because of that, we show a downfall in the Rotract movement. We have the membership strength has gone up to 500 and 600, and the number of clubs were around 20, 23 only. But the things are coming up again these days. From last 2-3 years, we are the data is showing that we are growing, and more Rotract active clubs are coming up, and the membership growth is also going. So we have to motivate the people. We have to strengthen. Unless we are more in number, we are more number of clubs, we cannot grow. The Rotary in the same district is 90 clubs now, and one more club has been chartered recently, so 91 clubs, whereas the number of the Rotract is almost 1/3. So potentiality of forming of the new Rotract club is there. So the zonal, the ZRR have to take a lead role and have to be in touch with the Rotary club, so that they can jointly can form the Rotract clubs in the areas where there is no representative of the Rotract, but Rotary is there. And to get to start in those clubs, all the Rotarians must be having their children, their relatives, their brothers and sisters, younger brothers and sisters who are in the age group of 18 and 30. So with the help of them, at least, and with the help of the sponsoring Rotary Club, we can go for the formation of the Rotary Club in all those unrepresented areas. So once we grow, the motivation will come, and everyone will see that his own importance, and will certainly come up. Now the Rotary has given so much of liberty to the Rotary, and they are giving the direct membership to the Rotary these days from 1st of July 2020. So we will have a direct contact with the Rotary, and so much of importance when we are getting. So it's our moral duty as a Rotractor that we should do something and give back to the Rotary what the Rotary expects from every individual Rotractors and the Rotary Club. We have to understand our potential. We have to come above ourselves, and we have to do something for the society as a Rotractor. We have accepted that our age limit in our district 18 will be 18 to 30 years. Though the Rotary has given the opportunity, make it open, we can go. But we have taken the decision in the last district conference. So it was upon district to district, and our district has taken the call of having the members 18 to 30 years, and we should be strict to it. Any members who are above the age of the 30 should be given farewell, a warm farewell, and they can be an inspiration to us, and we can get their service, and we can request them to join the Rotary. And even if they don't join the Rotary, we can call them and we can seek their advices. There is no harm, because they were in the movement for quite a long time. But they should not continue in the same Rotary Club after the age of the 30. In case of the IPP and in case of the IPDRR, they can continue up to the age of the 31. If they serve the office of the president of the DRR in the age of the 30, they can continue to be an immediate past president or immediate past district Rotary for one more year. So that is liberties to those persons only. But all other members should be given farewell after the age of the 30. Our district 3240, as you know, is one of the biggest geographical area. And it's really a challenge to be in connect with all the things, and we cannot have the multiple district events because of the things that we cannot afford, because the Rotators cannot afford financially to go frequently for the district events because of the vast geographical area. So we can go for the organizing of the zonal events, so that we can have the gatherings, multiple zonal events or the sectional events, so that the purpose can be served. The district assembly and the district conference, we have already taken a decision, and we are doing jointly the district assembly and the conference, so that the movement of the Rotators can be minimized. But with the IT facilities available, we can be in touch with every Rotary clubs all the times whenever we want. And like in this this lockdown situation, the Zoom meeting is the one of the best option we have, so that we can visually interact with each other and can understand and discuss how we can take the Rotary movement further. What right now, whatever we are, we have to grow. When we have more hands, so that we can serve much better. So first emphasis should be given that we should have more number of Rotary clubs, and then the more number of then only we can have our more membership strength. That should be the main thing. We have certain plans and program which has already must have been discussed by our DRR elect Tushar, and we have to work upon them so that we can able to achieve our goals, whatever has been set by our DRR and by the Rotary International, whatever the goals we have. We cannot be physically available these days or in the coming year as we used to be in the past because of this coronavirus. We don't know how long this coronavirus is going to be there last. So once the lockdown is over, even then we have to work very carefully. Our life cannot be as it was before. Certain challenges we have to face, and basing on the challenges we have to work, and we have to perform our duty. So we have to find out the ways how we can do our best and can serve the society who is in need. After the coronavirus, the society will need us more, because many things are coming up after the coronavirus. The economy is going to collapse. So we have to see the poor people, how those people can survive and how those people can be benefited through the government agencies. And our resources are less. We cannot afford to do anything by ourselves. So we have to do the advocacy. There are the certain plans, certain policies the government is coming up and will come up after the coronavirus also. So we have to do the advocacy so that whatever the government is giving and coming out with the facility for the needy and the poor people, it should go to them, and we have to play a lead role. We have to bridge a gap between the government and the needy persons who are eligible for all those help. So these are the main of the things. And disease prevention will be one of the main things in the coming year, in the 2021. So we have to plan accordingly, and we have to give our services so that we can be able to live up to the expectations of the society, to our Rotary International, and we can have a real satisfaction that we are associated with such a vast international organization and we are doing so good, because it is believed that service to mankind is service to the God, and we should continue to do that. But most important is that present situation tell us that we should take proper care of ourselves and our family first, and then we should go to serve. When we are healthy, we are capable, we will be able to serve the society in a better way, so that the more and more people can be benefited out of us. So these are the things I would like to share with you. I'm available anytime. My numbers are there with you, must be, or you can check on the Tushar, or you can call me or you can mail me if you need any assistance. I shall be available 24/7 for the cause of the Rotrek. And I love that our organization Rotrek District 3240 grow more in number, more in service projects, more in the membership. Then only we will be able to achieve our goals and we can complete. I'm sure that Tushar has a proper planning for the year 2021. He used to share with me from time and again and seek my advices. He discuss whenever there is a problem. And I'm sure that under his leadership in the year 2021, the Rotek District 3240 will certainly see a new height after all the odds we are going to face in the 2021. But I am very positive that our District 3240 Rotek will grow higher and higher, and we will be able to live up to the expectations. So my appeal to all the incoming leaders, please give your full support to the incoming team of 2021 headed by our DRR elect Tushar and all the district council members, so that together we can win, together we can reach to the new height and bring laurels to the Rotrack and a proper satisfaction to ourselves that we are a part of the 2021. All my good wishes to all of you. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Thank you.
Thank you, Chandu for the lovely session. So, if anybody has any question about the history of Road Track
Yeah.
3240, we can have a 5 minutes question answer round. After that, we move on to the next part. And in the meanwhile, we welcome our district trainer, PDRR Rotarian Ritesh Mishuk Jain, also the DRRN Rajeshri Singh.
I unmuted all, Tushar.
So, if any question is there, please kindly direct it to Chandu.
Yes, most welcome.
I don't think so. Any question is there. So I would request Saurabh Bhaiya to give the farewell remark for Chandu Bhaiya.
Thank you so much, Bhaiya. In spite of your busy schedule, you could able to make out time for the road tractors. We, the old road tractors, happens to be the road tractors. We know how passionate you are about the road track movement, and probably this is one of the platform. We are starting this virtual learning for the road tractors for the first time, and we have invited you, and you have accepted our invitation for being the first keynote speaker out here. You are the legend for 3240, as you know that, and probably your sharing experience will be helpful for the retractors. I believe they are hesitating to make any comment or any questions they are raising. They are making it they are feeling uncomfortable, but I believe they've learned it a lot. And individually retractors, you can connect to Chandu anytime. He is always available for the retractors. So don't feel free to call him anytime. Thank you, Bhaiya, for your kind speech, sharing your views, and we'll be grateful to you for your time, Bhaiya. Thank you so much, Chandu Bhaiya.
Thank you, Saurabh. You can share my phone number and my email ID to the road tractors. If they want to be in touch with me personally, they are most welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Road tractors, in the meantime, our district trainer Ritesh has also joined. So we will go back to Ritesh once our speaker finish it off. We will be having a learning experience. Now, the main objective behind, let me tell you why we are organizing this virtual meeting. See, there is no end of learning actually. The more you learn, the more you will enjoy this road track movement. And inviting Chandu Bhaiya because he is the most learned person out here as far as road track is concerned in 3240. And his contribution to many road track lives was immense, let me tell you. And probably you have get a very good idea about the road track movement past since 1990 till today. Now, the next speaker, moving to the next speaker, the next speaker is one of the knowledgeable Rotaractor, one of the knowledgeable Rotarian is among with us. He was a DRR for the year 2012-13. He spent almost 10 to 12 years in Rotaract movement. He was a president of a Rotary club. Currently, he is the member of district council, and next year, during the Shubhashish, our district governor elect Shubhashish Chatterjee's time, he will be the assistant governor. We started, he belongs from Rotary Club of Guwahati City, the club from I also belong. Abhishek's knowledge and experience about the Rotaract movement is also immense, and I will request each and everyone to please interact with Abhishek when he will be sharing his speech. Don't feel shy to ask any comment, because this virtual classroom is for you all. And let me tell you, we will be continuing these things for your development, our knowledge sharing. So let us heartily welcome our next speaker, Rotarian Abhishek, PDRR Abhishek Jitani. Abhishek, over to you.
Saurabh and Abhishek, just give me one moment before Abhishek starts, because
Okay,
I have to log off and jump into a different meeting, as I said.
Definitely.
Abhishek, most welcome. I'm sorry I'm not able to listen to you live, but I request Saurabh that you are recording this meeting. Kindly send me the file so that I can see later on.
Definitely, I will.
And before I log off, okay, I can see Ritesh. Ritesh, welcome. I can see one thing. Thank you. One ground rule in virtual meetings you have to obey, and this is my suggestions for all Rotaractors. Whenever you are login, you are all young guys. I do not have to be convinced myself that you are not technically savvy. You all are technically savvy. So keep yourself in mute conditions if you are not speaking, so that the speaker who is speaking, he or she should not be feel disturbed with the side noises and talk. Whenever you wants to talk, unmute yourself, talk, and again put it in mute. That's my request to all the Rotaractors, and I am sure you can do it. You can do it. Anyway, all the best. Abhishek, all the best.
Can you just highlight what Barry have said about the Rotaract during our meeting?
What I'll do, I will share Barry's video recording. Ritesh, I have to jump to a meeting because 4 o'clock I have a national committee meeting.
Okay.
But what I'll do, I think Tushar has got the file. If not, I will share the file so that recorded version can be shared with the Rotaractors. I have that. Anyway, thank you very much, guys. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy this learning session, and Abhishek, all the best for your session. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, District Governor. Abhishek, we have already given your introduction, so it's now the floor is yours. Over to you, Abhishek.
Thanks for the wonderful introduction.
Abhishek, your voice is not audible.
Am I audible? Hello.
Abhishek, probably because of the bandwidth. It's breaking, Abhishek.
Hello.
Now audible, Abhishek. Now audible.
Yeah, I had some problem with the internet connectivity, so I have turned off my video. Now it's fine, na?
Yes, absolutely fine, Abhishek. Go ahead.
Yeah. So thank you, Tushar, for the first virtual training of the Rotaractors. It's really good to see around 40 friends joining this virtual training. Well, all are completely new faces for me, except a few I have met in the past, like Nilanjan is there. Then Homerun, I can see, I have met him earlier. Rest all, I am getting the opportunity for the first time to interact with all. It's a wonderful opportunity for me, rather, to share or discuss something related to Rotaract. See, right now, the state we are in, I'm sure that it's a very difficult state, all of us, and to predict the future, the topic which Tushar have asked me to speak on, the future of Rotaract in District 3240. It is something which is very unpredictable कि आगे जाके क्या होने वाला है क्या नहीं. How do we go ahead and till when this COVID pandemic is will be there. So it is very difficult to decide on the future. The other day, about 4-5 days back, we had an online meeting with the Rotary International President, Holger Neck. He straight away told us that he thinks that in the history of Rotary International, he will be the RI president who will be traveling the least. Because generally you see RI president keeps on traveling from here to here, attending one or the other meeting. Holger was very sure that he will be the only person in the history of Rotary International till date who will be the least traveled Rotary International president. So the basic message he wanted to say is, we are going ahead towards very difficult times. We don't know by when things will get normal, but whatever goes on, the show has to go on, and we need to carry on the flag of Rotary 3240. So how are we going to do it? The biggest challenge ahead of us. Right now, we were with the normal meeting concept that we used to meet maybe every fortnightly or every weekly. Once a week, we have our regular weekly meeting where we meet in person. So that has to be changed because everywhere it's a lockdown and it's better to stay home and stay safe. So the concept of meeting has come up. That is, we have got a very good platform through Zoom where we can have online meetings. So first most important thing is that you need to amend your club bylaws. I hope all the clubs have their club bylaws. Saurav or Tushar? Saurav?
Tushar, not every club,
Yeah.
but we have instructed them during the assembly to have that.
Yeah.
We'll, Abhishek, after amending the district bylaws, we would be circulating it over mail soon.
Yeah, no, I was talking about the club bylaws. So it is very important that the clubs have their club bylaws and kindly put under the regular weekly meeting thing, kindly put options regarding the online meeting. That is very important. That is very important because when you are having an official online meeting, that should be recorded, and since it is in our club bylaws, that would be the best thing. But till when do you think we can carry on with this Zoom? एक पॉइंट आएगा, वी विल बी ऑल्सो बोर्ड कि क्या करे यार, जूम मीटिंग में खोलो, हर दिन प्रेसिडेंट बात करता है, कितने दिन सुनेंगे. सो हाउ डू वी मेक दोस थिंग्स इवन इंटरेस्टिंग? दैट हैज टू बी थॉट ऑफ कि कैसे हम लोग हमारे जूम मीटिंग को भी इंटरेस्टिंग करें. दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, क्योंकि इवन वी आर सीइंग इन रोटरी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज फ्रॉम लास्ट ए वीक और 10 we are trying to have Zoom meeting, but gradually, initially the response was very good, but gradually it is going down because people are kind of getting bored of it कि कितने देर एक सिस्टम के सामने बैठे रहे देखते रहे. So we have to start cultivating some innovative ideas. So I was like brainstorming myself कि क्या कर सकते हैं. I came up with certain things like we can invite eminent speakers, maybe not just from Rotary fraternity, maybe some motivational speakers from different places. Maybe we can try for Chetan some good writers, those kind of speakers. Then we can have some online competitions, maybe like cooking competition, talent hunt, anything. फॉर स्पेशली द फैमिली मेंबर, क्योंकि आप लोग सब अभी घर पे हो, घर पे जब सब देखेंगे कि अभी भी सारे दिन रोटरेक चल रहा है, कान में हेडफोन लगा के मोबाइल या लैपटॉप देखते देखते, दैट अगेन बिकम्स अ प्रॉब्लम. सो इन्वॉल्व योर फैमिली व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. मे बी सबके घर पे लॉकडाउन के पीरियड में एवरीवन इज कुकिंग समथिंग और द अदर, बिकॉज फॉर ए चेंज फर्स्ट टाइम टुडे आई प्रिपेयर्ड बर्गर एट होम फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. सो that kind of some kind of competition or anything you can have on your club level. Another important thing, the other day, the Rotary International President 1819, Barry Resin, he was addressing us. He told that last week their club has even inducted new member through. So continue your membership drive also. Once you have updated your club bylaws, including the Zoom meeting and stuff, you can even go ahead with the induction of new members. Invite your friends to join the Zoom meeting when you have some different kind of competitions. Invite him as a speaker. Let him also see कि नहीं यार, रोटरी एक वैसा बोरिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नहीं है कि खाली इन लोग मिलते हैं, चाय समोसा खाते हैं, मीटिंग किया और चला गया. Change their views. But now, what about our projects? How do we do? हम लोग कैसे अपना प्रोजेक्ट कर सकते हैं? That is again a big challenge, and we need to do also something. But on the other side, our safety is an important concern, because there is a very famous saying, charity begins at home. First, we need to be safe ourselves in order to serve the society. And more than the society, we need to keep ourselves safe for our parents. Because this, whatever little I could understand about COVID-19, it is a basically game of the immune system. If you have a strong immune system, you can somehow be safe. But our parents who are at the age of 60, 65, 70 years, their immune system is not as strong as ours. We are going out maybe for projects or anything. If we get infected, we are affecting them, affecting the entire locality. So first and foremost thing, whatever projects we think of, whatever projects or whatever activities we think of, please do the government norms and protocols, whatever they are providing us. For any kind of distribution, take the support of local authority, local police station. This would be the best thing at present. As road tractors, what we can do, we need to be examples in our community. Yes, see, we are working with ample responsibility. I know that we all feel that नहीं हमें कुछ करना है, हम घर पे कितने दिन बैठे, we are young people as road tractors, why we are not doing. But more than being emotional about the thing, we have to think practically also. It's not that I'm demotivating you that don't do any service project, do it, but with proper government guidelines, with the support of local authorities. That is. Thirdly, this Zoom meeting is helping us reduce a lot of our expenses. Expenses in the sense that any Rotarian coming to our club meeting or anything, we spend around 200 to 50 rupees felicitating that person. No Rotarians wants a grand felicitation or something. Try to save money for the club project. In fact, if you just give a rose to that person, he will be much more happier than getting a lot of mementos and gamuchas and etc. where the club spends a lot of money. We can here we have a if you all are aware that we have 4 avenues of service when it comes to Rotract. Tushar, can you just unmute everyone for a second?
Saurabh Dash to do that.
I'm doing that. I'm doing that. Yes, Abhishek. Everyone unmuted.
Yeah. So there are 4 avenues of service in Rotract. Can anyone tell me what are those? Anyone?
Professional service, community service,
club service,
and international service.
Club service and international service.
Thank you. So there are 4 avenues, which are club service, community service, international service, and professional development, right? And what are the avenues of service that the Rotary Club follows?
Abhishek, can you be clear?
Hello. Am I audible now?
Now audible.
Yeah. So the 4 avenues of service which Rotary Club follows are club service, community service, international service, and professional development, right? So, and what are the avenues of service which a Rotary Club follows? Anyone?
The 5 service, right?
Yeah. What are those?
I'm not remembering, but there are 5. Let me.
Shall I help you out?
Yes.
In Rotary, we follow club service, community service,
Yeah.
vocational service, international service, and a youth service. If you see only one, that is vocational service, health, and professional development, are 2 different terms, but basically with the same meaning. And Rotaractors are meant to work after their professional development, and this is the best time that we can use this Rotaract platform to develop us professionally, maybe getting good guides, good speakers, and utilizing this time properly. Utilizing this time properly. How can we utilize this time properly? By developing us also, and on the other side, supporting our community. We Rotaractors has the best benefit that we are techno savvy. Start lots of awareness campaigns online. Like you see, if you start up online campaigns regarding how to stay safe from COVID, how to maintain social distancing and all in your locality, it is really going to help us a lot. Rather than jumping into big projects, rather than getting on the streets, don't go for online campaigning, which I would suggest you all. That would be the best thing. Well, the other day I got data from the incoming DRCC Saurabh Debroy. There are, as RI records, Rotary International records, there are 70 odd clubs which are just on papers. But in reality, around 33 to 34 clubs are only active. I hope, Tushar, the data is correct?
In reality, I think 30, maximum 30 on.
Around 30. So the
30.
same thing we were discussing. I was having a discussion when Tushar called me up regarding this online session. I had a talk with District Governor elect also. He, being himself a past Rotaractor, have requested you all to please try and identify those clubs, if possible revive those, or else please shut down the phantom clubs. By phantom clubs, I basically mean is the clubs which are just for namesake. The day we know the actual figure where we stand, maybe say we are just 20 clubs with a membership of 300 members. That day we will know what our strength, what's our weakness, and we can actually move ahead with the process. Have you all heard about the strategic planning of Rotary? Rotary works out a 5-year strategic planning. And this time in the strategic planning, there is a point which is called, hello. Hello.
Abhishek, go ahead. I'm muting all.
Which is called the ability to adapt. And this is the right time where we actually can show our ability, how we can adopt different innovations. Surf the www.rotary.org website. A lot of things there which ideas there which we can utilize to move ahead at these difficult times. Try to support your sponsoring Rotary Club in whatsoever project they are doing. Maybe distribution of masks, distribution of hand sanitizers, soaps, etc. Try to help them. And coming up in the Rotary year 2020-21, Rotary India is launching 2 different missions. One is Rotary India Water Mission and Rotary India Sanitation Mission. We will be doing a session on this too, maybe in a couple of days' time with the chairman of the project. Then only we will get the clarification over it, and the details will be given to DRR elect Tushar, through which you all can get all the details regarding that. So are the basic things which I wanted to share about of how you can try to work out during these difficult times and run your club properly. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you so much. Tushar, your comment?
No, it was a wonderful session because as I spoke to Abhishek Bhaiya, we wanted to discuss, like what he said, how to make Zoom meetings interesting and how to go ahead with the project. And as PDRR Abhishek Jitani has told us we should make safety first a concern. We don't have to do projects in a large number till the situation is normal. But since we are an organization to whom everybody see, so we have to continue, but in a very structured way, like contacting the local authorities or the police or whatever department which is responsible. And we should only do the projects when there is a need. And if possible, we can meet physically, but the social distancing and the proper sanitization of the area or the place or the room or wherever hotel you are meeting should be seen. So only for the sake of meeting, only for the sake of projects, we should not initiate anything. And it was a wonderful session by our PDR Abhishek Bhaiya. We are very thankful for him for sparing out time and giving inputs on various aspects which would be sought by, which is required for 2020-21. Thank you, Abhishek Bhaiya. So if anybody is having any questions or any doubt or any clarifications on the 2020-21, how to go about or how projects would be done, how the district would be running, so you can give us, so that our district trainer is also here, our PDRs are also there, and I saw our PDR Ajit Kumar Bhagat Bhaiya also there. So we all
Yes.
welcome him. He was the PDRR. So I would like to request Ajit Bhaiya to speak a few words. I think
Ajit,
we have lost.
Ajita left. Ajita left. Ajita left.
Okay. So if Ritesh Bhaiya is there, we can have a comment by Ritesh Bhaiya. So as a DRR, district trainer, I think Ritesh Bhaiya also left. So does anybody have any question?
Any question to Abhishek? Please feel free to ask. You will not get.
Please feel free to ask me if there is any question. I shall try my best to answer or clear the query.
See, we all know that we are uncertain about the future, how we are going to start. But for that, if you need inputs to prepare, we all are there to answer. So it's official platform. So we request people to be interactive and to shoot questions, so that DRCC, DRE, DS is also there, PDR is also there, so we can clarify your doubts.
Hello. Abhishek, Bhaiya, actually, since you are a PDRer, also you are now in Rotary, right? So you know that you converting from Rotaract to Rotary was beneficial for you as well as for both sides of the club, Rotaract and Rotary. We need to find a way to convince people to have that conversion, because we don't have that kind of a conversion as yet from Rotaract to Rotary. We are said that 30 above should not be in Rotaract, as we discussed today also. But how do we motivate them to go ahead into Rotary? Because our club doesn't have that much members above the age of 24, 25 as it is, but many have. So the ones who are 30 above, how do we motivate them to join Rotary?
Thank you. Very good question. Rishabh, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. So see, here the thing is that my case was totally different. I was actually born with Rotary. I was born in the same year, the year in which Rotary Club of Nahagatia was chartered. I am originally from Nahagatia, right now settled in Guwahati. So I started my life as an Rotary lad. Then I joined Interact, then Rotaract, then Rotary. And my grandfather and father both were Rotarians. So Rotary was always in my blood. I did not have a choice for myself of keeping myself away from Rotary. But here now, it's a very good question. See, there are two different things. One is the relation between a Rotary club and the parent Rotaract club and the parent Rotary club. Fine. If the relation there itself is good, then definitely Rotarians Rotaractors are converting to Rotarians. Then another second factor comes is that after a age, generally people go out of the way for their profession, or maybe for their further studies, they go out of the city. So that way, it is very difficult for them to again get back into this organization. Yes, you are very right. There are many Rotaractors who are still in Rotaract above the age of 30, not wanting to leave Rotaract or not wanting to join Rotary. There might be many reasons, such as if they leave, the Rotaract club might shut down. That again definitely is wrong, because ethically it is wrong staying in Rotaract beyond the age of 30. Second thing is that maybe the parent club is not aware of the fact. So as you will be you all will be taking over the Rotary Club of Guwahati, Louis will be taking over as the district secretary for the coming year. My suggestion to you all will be, work out a list of such Rotaractors, let their parent club know, and try to motivate the parent club to offer certain kinds of discount, like on membership and admission fees and stuff, and motivate them to graduate themselves from Rotaract to Rotary. Rest, so it is an individual choice whether they shift over or not.
Convert or not.
Abhishek, I would like to appreciate Rotaract Club of Ansarsoul, where if Yogesh Jurmani is there, he can tell us that around 5 to 6 Rotaractors who were above the age of 30 have voluntarily left the club after the district decided. So, Yogesh, can you tell about your club's experience on how old members who were above 30, they voluntarily stepped down?
There were hello, this is Yogesh Umrania from Rotary Club of Asansol.
Yeah.
There were about 6 to 7 members in a group that were above the age of 30. We didn't have to mention them or say them anything that you need to leave, you need to do anything else, you need to go to Rotary. They self-volunteered to get young people in the group. So we have inducted 8 new members also in this year. We will in this year we will induct. We are on the process of that. So it's very good mood there, and they are advisory to the board, means just supporting us from not being a Rotaract, but still being part of the Rotary Club of Asansol by not being.
Have they become Rotarians?
They are about to become a Rotarians after this lockdown, I suppose.
Okay. Great.
Any other question is there?
Where is dear Ilek, Parna, Amit, all? Please
I
feel
would
free
like
to ask question.
I would like to request DS General Amit to kindly share his views on the situation.
Hello everyone. Hello.
Can we have your videos too, so that people can recognize you, because many of them are new here?
No, it's okay. I have given my picture. Right now, I'm not yet possible for me to.
Okay.
Hello everyone.
Hi Bhaiya.
Hi Bhaiya. Hello sir.
Hello.
Bhaiya. Hello Amit.
Hello.
Yeah, Amit.
Amit, go ahead. Amit, go ahead. Probably bandwidth issue is there with him.
I think he cannot hear our voice actually.
So, any other questions till Amit more comes back?
Hello everyone. Good evening. Myself, Rotaractor Aluka De from Rotary Club of Naharkatia. I have a question. Just because our club has rechartered last year, it's a very new club. So I'm finding a little difficulty in growing up the club strength. So I need some help so that I can strengthen the strength of the club.
Wow, Aloka, you are asking the question to a person whose initial interact and Rotaract days were from Naharkatia itself. Abhishek, over to you.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, Aloka. It's glad to meet a Rotaractor from Rotary Club of Naharkatia after a long time. Maybe say after at least 5 years.
Yes.
So, what is the membership strength of your club right now?
Right now, it's 14 members.
14 members. So, and what are you doing right now for the membership drive?
I'm trying to collect or to connect with the group of students mainly who are of around 20 to 25 ages, so that they don't get much, so that they are much more, I can say, mature, so that they can contribute to the club, and also they can carry on with their studies.
See,
So
what I will suggest you, being in Nahakatia, you are very lucky because being a small town, people does not have a lot of other options of socializing or like in Guwahati what happens is आज चलो movie देखने चला गया, आज चलो restaurant चला गया, आज ये कर लिया वो कर लिया. Those kinds of opportunities are not there with the people in Nahakatia. So what you can do is start up with Nahakatia College, Rotary Club of Nahakatia. Rotarians like Rotarian Mukesh Todi, Rotarian Saurabh Bajoria and all are very supportive to Rotary.
yes.
Approach them, organize certain youth-related activities in maybe higher secondary schools or Nahakatia College, in the locality for the youth. Try to motivate them and let them know what Rotary is, what Rotary and Rotary does. Maybe that will help you gain a lot of members there.
Thank you.
Try and do certain activities.
Anybody else?
I think we have a question from DR nominee Raj. He is somewhere on an official job, so he'd asked me to ask the question. So his question to Abhishek is how to involve respective RCCs in road track fraternity in current era.
RCCs, do you mean Rotary Community Corps or the
No,
Rotary
the committee chair. DRCC जैसे RCC होता है.
Can you please repeat the question again?
How to involve the respective RCC's road track committee chairs in road track fraternity in current area?
See, it depends. Like the first and the foremost, I believe out of 91 odd Rotary clubs, hardly 10 Rotary clubs would be there who have appointed Rotary committee chairs in their clubs. I think so. And whatever 10 Rotary committee chairs are, it is a very difficult job because the awareness regarding this particular post is very low. So during when I was the district Rotary representative, at that time we had a seminar, we had a ICM in Silchar, if Saurabh also remembers. There we have passed a few resolutions, but it could not, unfortunately, it could not work out properly. Like whether a Rotary club has a Rotary club or not, they have to appoint a RCC. If a Rotary club is there, the RCC's role will be to nurture the Rotary club. If in case Rotary club is not there, then the RCC job will be to find an opportunity to open or sponsor a new Rotary club. Then RCC, out of in the month, however, how many meetings a Rotary club have, the RCC will attend one weekly meeting. Then we also requested the district governor of the district that year, that was Dr. Yogesh Verma, to give the best RCC award of the year to a Rotarian who has done a wonderful job as a Rotary committee chairman. And the same award we also thought that from the side of Rotary we will give. So that way what happens is the motivation comes. And secondly, what can be done is, being a Rotary club, for example, we are having our Zoom meeting. Invite the RCC as a speaker maybe for 5 minutes to address the gathering, involve him in your projects, invite him from the club meeting. You have to get the ball start playing. Gradually, things will be online.
Oh, great. Anything else? Any retractors, any questions? I was surprised not to hear anything from Nilanjan, one of the experienced retractor out here. Parna is there.
Now he's graduated to Rotary DG committee, so he's not.
Okay, see, Abhishek has pointed out a very important point. See how you are graduating. Just I'm adding a point. As Abhishek is there because we started our Rotary journey together, and he was the DRR. He was my IP DRR also. After that, I became the DRR. We conducted many events and we fought for these things many in a deep level actually. Now it's up to you also, Rutractors. See, your involvement will justify, or your involvement will show what opportunities you are getting from Rotary, Rotrac. Okay. Now let me tell you one thing. You are facing another issue. Rishabh has said, and Rishabh and Yogesh has pointed out about the age 30. Now, see, there is a financial constraint when you join Rotary actually. Okay. And those people who utilize the Rotrac platform, they professionally get settled. Now, it depends on how much involved you are in this particular moment. You will not find 100% Rotractors are involved, but you will see a certain percentage of people are graduated to Rotary. Now, why they are graduating to Rotary? The reason behind, they are financially that much stable, they can continue this Rotary journey. And whatever development they have learned, they learned it from Rotrac movement. People from middle class family, people from lower middle class family are also a part of Rotrac movement. But now they are in a Rotary movement. And they are giving a tremendous contribution to the Rotary Foundation also in regards to TRF contribution and all. No, so if you want to develop, you want to learn, and in your professional life you want to develop, use this particular platform. That's why Rotary has opened this Rotrac movement in 1968, keeping that thing in mind. So just go ahead with that, utilize this moment. What we are planning that, Abhishek, let me share with you, Tushar is here. Tushar is planning to organize this kind of Zoom on a regular basis so that in a different perspective about the Rotary and the benefit these Rotractors can learn. If the Rotractors get agreed, it's depend on the Rotractors. If you people agree to continue this kind of interaction from keynote speakers, then probably Tushar will take the step to take it forward. What do you say, Abhishek and Tushar?
See, you are absolutely right, Saurav. Why these kinds of meetings are most important? First thing, when we used to be in Rotrac at that time, Rotrac, and we were trying to learn and all, the biggest problem for us was there was no internet. We used to pay 60 rupees an hour to go to internet cafe and surf the net at that time. आज के दिन तो mobile खोलो and you have everything with you. And when we are in this kind of platform, don't fear of asking anything. जो मन में है वो चीज पूछो. It's not necessary I know everything or whatever you ask, I will be able to answer, or Saurabh will be able to answer, or Tushar will be able to answer. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. जो मन में है कि कहीं भी कुछ लग रहा है कि सही है या गलत है, just ask. क्या पता जो आप पूछ रहे हो, it might be a completely changing thing for me also. It might be a new learning experience. कि हाँ भाई कि इस बारे में मुझे भी अब रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा.
I have a question. Hello everyone.
Who's
Hello
this?
everyone. This is Rotractor Akash Jain from Rotrac Club of Dimapur.
Okay.
Abhishek Bhaiya, I just wanted to ask few things about how Rotary and Rotrac connectively do projects. Like at some point we get to know that Rotary are now made the norms of Rotary says that you have to involve Rotractors or Rotrac club of your sponsoring Rotrac clubs to your projects, and at same time they are not willing to keep our logos and all, so that it looks like a joint project, and it doesn't make sense for Rotrac fraternity, because it is an individual fraternity. Whenever we do any project or we do any joint projects, we need to that logos and all to be posted in our district pages. No, when there is no logo, there is no value. So do you think like Rotary are looking forward on this? Like they should, for me, they should use the logo also, but they are not willing. They are not willing to put the logos and all. No. So what is your comment on it?
Very good observation, rather I will tell you. It depends from club to club. It is nothing as such that it is happening with all the Rotary and Rotary clubs. Now, if you see, I will give you the example of the home club of your DRR elect, that is Rotary Club of Guwahati Luit. What I have seen that Rotary Club of Guwahati Luit and Rotary Club of Guwahati Luit, they share a very cordial relation, and almost 90% of the projects that they do are all done together. It depends on individual basis. Even when I was the president of my Rotary Club last year, I tried my best to take the full support of the Rotractors. But I'm very sorry to say that my experience was very bad. That what I have seen is कि जब मैं प्रोजेक्ट के लिए बुलाऊं, हार्डली एक जन या दो जन में से कोई पहुंचते थे, और लेकिन जब उनको प्रोजेक्ट के लिए कोई फाइनेंशियल हेल्प चाहिए, then they were always ready to call me कि भैया ऐसा ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट है, can you help me out, can you help us out. So see, this is completely a two-way thing. Yes, you are absolutely right that both the organization have their individuality. So if they are not printing your logo maybe in their Rotary's banner, carry your own banner with you for the project. Since it's a joint project, carry your own banner of Rotary Club of Dimapur along with you in the project and take a photo while doing the project. I don't think any Rotary Club president will have a problem with that.
Okay. No, sometimes there's an awkwardness, like we carry our project banner, they don't want. Sometimes we get a vibe that they don't want our logos and all. No? So that is why I'm
ऐसा
asking.
ऐसा 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 देखो होना नहीं चाहिए. It's not the case with every club. Fine, I understand. It might happen. It might happen with your club. Sometimes it has happened when we were also in Rotary at that time. Also, we have seen it. It happens. Yes, I understand. In that case, the best person would be. I think you will be having also a Rotary committee chair appointed by your Rotary club.
Yeah.
From Rotary Club, I think there definitely will be an Rotary committee chair, and plus there are very excellent past Rotaractors from Rotary Club of Dimapur. Just some time back, we have PDG Chandu Agarwal is there, Vijay Sharma is there, and many. Your current president is himself a past Rotaractor, Ashok Agarwal. So if you directly talk to them, I don't think such kind of problem should arise. There are many Rotarians who even support Rotary movement like nobody. For example, your Ravindrajit Singh Panesar ji is there. Have a talk with them. I don't think these issues are that big that cannot be sorted out.
Yeah, actually, these issues are not that big. That is why I never went to them with this kind of topic. Like I want my logos and all. I was just going through. So
फिर भी
I clicked.
देखो क्या होता है ना कि अंदर मन में बात रहते रहते काफी बड़ा हो जाता है. बैठे थे बात करके क्लियर करो कि सर क्या बात है, हम हमारे लोगो नहीं लगा रहे, सर रिक्वेस्ट करते टाइम से हमारे लोगो लगाओ, खत्म.
That will be a better option.
Abhishek, I feel that the relation of the president secretary or the past president secretary with the Rotary Club also matters a lot.
Exactly.
And I think so Malda, if you see, if your club only Guwahati city or Malda or Silchar, or if I've seen Dharmanagar also shares a very good relation. And biggest example we saw a few months back, Rotary Club of Tinsukia and Rotary Club of Tinsukia, how they were organizing their 50th anniversary. So it depends on the club to club, and I think past
actually
should be forgotten. And as I had experience in 3190 Bangalore, where when I took over the Rotary Club, directly told Rotary Club of SBMJC is good for nothing because our seniors had ruined all the relations. But gradually, after 3 to 4 meetings with them and assuring them and building up the image and building up all the what you call hopes and expectations, then everything came to line. And Akash, I think let's clarify, there is no norm that Rotary has to. They are saying that you can involve, like our DGE Subhashi Chatterjee has involved 10 Rotaractors in the Rotary District Committee, in which Nilanjan is there, Rishabh is there, and quite many people are there. So it's not a compulsion or anything. It's only that Rotary has asked, Rotary International has asked Rotary district governors and Rotary clubs to give due importance to Rotaract. So I think it can be there. It is not a norm. And there are many projects in which Guwahati Luit and Silchar also did not involve our logo. But there we have to see what relation we share with them. I know that it can be frustrating at times, but you have to compromise because indirectly or directly Rotary parent clubs are the biggest support more than the market. If we are telling a personal inside story, more than the market, we get more financial support from our Rotary club than anybody else. So it completely depends on your relation and everything. And I personally went to Panesar uncle with you, and I've seen how what kind of support you get. So I think logo and all should not be a priority. A relations with the parent club should be the priority.
Then our Rotaract district should accept those projects also without logos and all. So there will be no issue
Every
for
year,
us
every
also.
year, every year is different. This year, since you are the award committee chairman, so our only criteria for award, you also know, is timely reporting. Only
Yeah.
that, and we are not. If Saurabh Bhai is also here, and we are not going to push for harder. The only thing is that should not be a repeat project, and it should not have been done in the past. Otherwise, whatever we believe you, because we feel that Rotaract clubs makes the district. We are just there because of Rotaract club. So there is no question on doubting any of the Rotaractors or any Rotaract club or Rotaract president or secretary. So I would like to request Saurabh to throw some interesting light on this.
No, definitely. But don't worry about that. It will be liberal one this time. Okay, if you are doing the project authentically, it's we believe that whosoever in the Rotaract movement, they are authentic. Okay, they are vulnerable. So in that point of time, we will regards that projects also, and we will assure that no injustice and this kind of logos things will not be considered. Don't worry
Yeah.
about that. Just do your best. Just be authentic. Rest will be managed. Don't worry at all.
We are not going to say कि Rotaract मेरा DRR logo लगाया नहीं लगाया. It does
No,
not
not at all.
matter till the time you are working. We are well satisfied with that. And if you
Actually, it
are
had been an issue. Actually, it had been an issue
no, we
many a
don't
times
see
in the
Akash,
past.
Akash. Let's forget past. As we said
Yeah.
that many first time things are happening this time. So we are trying our best, and if God's blessings, if Corona is controlled and everything is good, we would be giving 100% of what we planned. And I think people who have attended our assembly has seen what effort our team is giving behind this year. And not getting people from outside. First, we are sourcing all these speakers from our district because we want our past district leaders to give their experience rather than outside people coming and giving. That's why we are bringing you people, all the big shots of 3240 to share their experience, and then after some part we would be getting good speakers from outside.
Yeah.
Tushar,
Any other?
Tushar, before ending, just ask them once how they enjoyed this. Shall we continue these things, this kind of virtual meeting or not? What is their opinion?
Yeah, you have to give our opinion. We might do Zoom meeting every day, but that's of no use if you people do not get any knowledge or information out of it. So please give your real feedback. Please don't feel that कि DRCC है, DRR है, or DS है, or DRRN है, or Abhishek bhi is there. Please be frank and you can tell us what are your expectations so that we can arrange Zoom meetings on that basis.
Saurabh, unmute everyone.
Unmute. I have unmuted everyone. Just give you a clarity. देखो ये Zoom meeting कराने का एक ही reason है because the manual training manual that we have given, हाँ वो तो that was a part actually. But here learning from the past leaders will be very beneficial for you all. That's why Tushar and me thought that कि नहीं चलो इसको करना है. But what is your feedback after attending the first session is actually matter for us. So I'll request everyone to give your view and just tell whether shall we continue this or not in near future. Your views, open to all.
Excuse me. Good evening, everyone. This is Rotaractor Minsang Tabang from Rotaract Club of Campus. So I just like to ask you a question. Ask you I really was. I was what to say. I was a part of this e-Raila, which took place with 3060 district in Surat. So the quarantine was really great because I was able to myself actually. So like, has our district ever hosted this Raila? I just want to know more about it.
Hello.
I think,
hello. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yeah, you're audible.
Saurabh, can you please mute everyone for a second? Actually, I did not get the question. If you can please repeat the question again.
Please go on. She asked about the Raila. She asked
E-Raila.
She asked about the E-Raila.
Latest. Has our district ever hosted Raila? Latest Raila?
See that is what is coming up is this is the first time the entire the globe after the evolution of computer and internet has come through this kind of lockdown. So as of now, as per my knowledge, there is nothing as such being done. But definitely for the coming year, we have already started the
I
planning to
mean,
come up
like,
with an e-RILA if
like,
this situation continues. Yeah.
sorry to interrupt, but can we not like come up with e-RILA? Like, I really got
No,
enthusiastic more about being with e-RILA.
that
No, like I recently was a part of
that
this
is what
e-RILA, so you know.
that
Can
is
we
what
not?
I am telling you. That is what I am telling you. Already the planning is on to host e-RILA, because in future we don't when we can meet in person, and we can organize a RILA meeting one-to-one, individual, face-to-face, when we can organize it. So definitely the process is on and planning is already on, that how we can organize in e-RILA. The process is already on.
Okay.
Anything else? Retractors, please feel free to ask and share your views, please. ऋषभ ठंडा हो गया, क्या हो गया ये लोगों का?
क्या?
Yes.
Rishabh is thinking about the conference.
कॉन्फ्रेंस बहुत कुछ है, आगे पीछे चारों तरफ सोचा जा रहा है अभी तो माइंड में.
अच्छा एक चीज बताओ, shall we continue this? ये इस तरह का zoom करना है?
Of course भी है, of course भी है, of course.
See देखो, एक speaker को बुला के लेके आए, ठीक है? We are, if you want, we can bring many eminent speakers like Abhishek and Chandu bhai did today. It was a learning experience altogether. तुम लोग अगर participate करते हो, if you people want, so we will bring different kind of people who can share their experience. तो इसके लिए सबका बोलना जरूरी है. सिर्फ ऋषभ बोल रहा है ऐसा नहीं, ऋषभ या आकाश बोल रहा है ऐसा नहीं. It's a request, everyone, please speak.
हाँ भैया, ये मेरा 4th मीटिंग है शायद जूम में, 4th ऑफिशियल मीटिंग है भैया. चाय भी तुम भेजते हो तो 4 मीटिंग है. ये सबको एक तरफ से बांध के रखता है, मतलब सबसे कांटेक्ट में भी रह सकते हो आप, क्या हो रहा है, कहाँ क्या हो रहा है, सब आपको पता. तो ये शायद बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है इसको प्रोसेस करना और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए. मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता है, मेरा व्यू पॉइंट.
Yes, we should do it.
क्योंकि सब फॉरेन के लोगों से भी we can meet
it's beneficial for all.
and इसीलिए.
See, in coming days, Tushar is planning to give you the overview beyond 3240 also. Okay, so Rotaract movement सिर्फ 3240 में नहीं है, ठीक है? Beyond 3240 भी बहुत कुछ है. So we will try our level best to bring few people outside 3240 also. Till the time we have our eminent PDRs in 3240 also. तो एक टॉपिक पर हम लोग बात करेंगे. So definitely yes.
एक तरफ से ये भी बेनिफिट हो रहा है ना कि सबको 3240 के सब मेंबर्स को पता पड़ रहा है कौन कौन है, कौन कौन रोटरी से जुड़ा हुआ है, रोटरैक्ट से जुड़ा हुआ है, वो ऑल आर विद अस. ये सबको आइडिया मिल रहा है, तो ये भी बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है इसीलिए.
अच्छा, ये एक बढ़िया है. और एक चीज भी है, तुम्हारा पॉइंट के साथ ऐड करूंगा. देखो, नॉलेज के साथ चीज है ना, नॉलेज जब तक नहीं होता ना तो आगे बढ़ने में प्रॉब्लम होता है. करेक्ट. सो इसके ये शेयरिंग ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस है ना, थोड़ा नॉलेज भी बढ़ जाता है एक्चुअली. ठीक है, ये तो मैन टू मैन मीटिंग तो कब होगा मालूम नहीं. ठीक है. Over to Tushar. Final remarks and all.
So I would like to request, I think till now only secretary has spoken, so I request any president elect to speak up. We have can we have a last feedback from any president elect? Sharmila or Vishwajit is there. Last one, then we'll wrap up.
Good evening, everyone. This is Rotaract Sharmila Chakravarti from Rotaract Club of Silchar, the president-elect. भैया, I think this should be continued क्योंकि theoretical जो knowledge है उससे practical knowledge होता है. आप लोग बता रहे हो, share कर रहे हो अपना experience, तो हमें भी long time तक वो याद रहेगा. पर जितना पढ़ के knowledge मिलता है उससे ज़्यादा practical knowledge ज़्यादा टिकता है. तो ये session हमको चालू रखना चाहिए. I support this.
Okay, so we have come to the end of today's part 1. So soon after discussing with our district trainer and DRCC and our team, so we would be initiating another in 2 or 3 days. So thank you for your support. And what I have seen, that average participation was 35 to 40 people all the time. It did not went below 30. It's my request to all from I think next Zoom session, you should also induct all your board members. You should try to get all your friends in Rotaract. Let's keep it open for all so that the knowledge which we discuss, which we clarify, gets to all. So all this time we can do. And we were very grateful to PDR Abhishek Jitani Bhaiya and PDG and PDR Chandu Bhaiya for their valuable time, and I should say gift of knowledge. So please accept our heartiest thank you from Rohtak District Council 2020-21. Also to the DRRN, DSG, and all the ZRRs and co-ZRRs. And I would like to specially thank all the clubs, president, secretary, because despite all this lockdown and everything, out of 30 active clubs of which P president and secretary elect has been chosen, 17 clubs have already sent in their data. So it's a great thing because always I think DRR, the current DRR, and our DSG Amit Moore, he used to say that they used to face difficulty in getting a rooster on time and president elect and secretary elect details on time. But what we, our team has, me, Parna, our DRCC, we have seen that there is a tremendous support, because without calling once, we got around all the PFP details. Without calling once, we have got 17 clubs rooster, and everything is error free, except few clubs have not included their birth date. And as spoken with the core team governing council of 2020-21, it's a mandatory thing for us to provide the full birth date, including the year. And those clubs which have not provided would be contacted by the editor. So it's another request that you have cooperated with us in this difficult situation, and always in president assembly time also. Now, please cooperate with us. She would be clearly telling what has been decided. So thank you very much. And if the floor is open, if anybody wants to stay back and have a conversation, we can have for 5 to 10 minutes. Otherwise, we call the session off. I request Saurabh to kindly cut off the recording.
Tushar,
So much.
Yes.
Tushar, I wanted to ask how to deal with the club lapel pins and all this year. We have not ordered yet.
So see, Akash, what you call till now, our district installation is also not fixed.
Tushar, just 1 minute, I will interfere. So you all carry on. Then I shall leave if there is any question left for me to answer.
No, sir.
Any question? No. So thank you, Tushar. Thank you, sir, and all the
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
It
sir.
was really wonderful being with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhishek.
Thank you, sir.
Saurabh, can we put off the recording? So the Abhishek has also told a valid thing that all the things should not be recorded.